Lesson 11. In this lesson, you will learn 4 very useful Malagasy adjectives that you will hear every day, especially at the market or when describing things around you. They come in 2 pairs of opposites: fast and slow, expensive and cheap. Learning them in pairs makes them easy to remember. Listen first, and then we will practice.
Haingana ny fiara.
Miadana ny sokatra.
Lafo io finday io.
Mora ity akondro ity.
Let us begin with the first pair. To say the car is fast in Malagasy, you say.
Haingana ny fiara.
The first word means fast, and the last word means car. Listen and repeat.
Haingana ny fiara. Haingana ny fiara.
You can also use this same word to describe how someone does something. To say he speaks fast, you say.
Miteny haingana izy.
The first word means speaks, from a verb you already know. The middle word is the same word for fast, and the last word means he or she. Listen and repeat.
Miteny haingana izy.
Miteny haingana izy.
Now the opposite of fast is slow. To say the tortoise is slow in Malagasy, you say.
Miadana ny sokatra.
The first word means slow, and the last word means tortoise. Listen and repeat.
Miadana ny sokatra. Miadana ny sokatra.
And just like with fast, you can use slow to describe how someone moves. To say he walks slowly, you say.
Mandeha miadana izy.
The first word means walks, from a verb you already know. The middle word means slowly. Listen and repeat.
Mandeha miadana izy.
Mandeha miadana izy.
Let us pause for a quick check. How would you say the car is fast?
Haingana ny fiara.
And how would you say the tortoise is slow?
Miadana ny sokatra.
Excellent. Now let us learn the second pair, which you will use anytime you go shopping. To say that phone is expensive in Malagasy, you say.
Lafo io finday io.
The first word means expensive, and the word in the middle means phone. The small words around the noun together mean that. Listen and repeat.
Lafo io finday io. Lafo io finday io.
You can also use this same word to talk about food prices. To say meat is expensive, you say.
Lafo ny hena.
The first word is still expensive, and the last word means meat. Listen and repeat.
Lafo ny hena. Lafo ny hena.
Now the opposite of expensive is cheap. To say this banana is cheap in Malagasy, you say.
Mora ity akondro ity.
The first word means cheap, and the word in the middle means banana, which you may remember from an earlier lesson. The small words around the noun together mean this. Listen and repeat.
Mora ity akondro ity. Mora ity akondro ity.
You will hear this word a lot at the market. To say vegetables are cheap at the market, you say.
Mora ny legioma eny an-tsena.
The first word is cheap. The third word means vegetables, and the last 2 words mean at the market. Listen and repeat.
Mora ny legioma eny an-tsena. Mora ny legioma eny an-tsena.
Wonderful. You have now learned all 4 adjectives. Let us do a mini challenge. Listen to each English sentence and say the Malagasy out loud during the pause. Remember the opposite pairs: fast and slow, expensive and cheap. How would you say the car is fast?
Haingana ny fiara.
How would you say the tortoise is slow?
Miadana ny sokatra.
How would you say that phone is expensive?
Lafo io finday io.
And how would you say this banana is cheap?
Mora ity akondro ity.
Excellent. Now let us combine verbs and adjectives. How would you say he speaks fast?
Miteny aingana izy.
How would you say he walks slowly?
Mandeha miadana izy.
And how would you say vegetables are cheap at the market?
Mora ny legioma eny an-tsena.
Wonderful. The next time you go to a market or describe something to a friend, try using one of these 4 adjectives. For example, you could say,
Mora ny manga eny an-tsena.
the mangoes are cheap at the market. See you in the next lesson.